Hello everybody, today I have here an EVA EPS lock. Here is the bitting on the key. I believe it has a passive sidebar. Lately I have been picking these EVAs and really been enjoying them. Because they have tight keyways and you get to learn how to work around these evil wardings. Sorry the camera's bit turned my way because this is a bit of a difficult lock to pick, you see. It's hard to get a tension wrench in there. One. I'm starting with medium tension. 2, 3 click, 4 click. There, I got a bit of a turn on the calf pin too. I'm gonna start back because I think my tension wrench is slipping. I'm gonna make sure. See what it's not in proper. There we go, it should work now. So start from pin 1, sorry about that guys. I'm on 3 there, 4, back to 1. Got a bit of a turn on pin 2 there. 3 fault set there. Once you get the fault set, you know you're halfway into pick for the opening. Getting counter rotation there, but my pick's not staying on the pin. There we go, open. Not a bad time, 3 minutes. I can't wait to get this lock, guys. To be honest, I really can't wait to get this lock because I really want to see what's inside it. So I'm just setting the camera up. So as you can see, the lock is there. There we go, here is the lock. I'm putting it here. So as you can set up the camera for the button. There we go. I hate this tripod, guys. I don't know why it's not thinking. There we go. There, we shouldn't be that bad now. There we go, here's the lock as it was on there. I shall got it now. See there's you guys. Get it all in view for you guys. So you can see what's going on here. There we go. And these pins are just some I was experimenting with it, but I'm gonna get them out of the way. Let's get this C-clip off. C-clip remover. There we go, we got the C-clip off. Now we just need the follower. Follower is here. So here's the follower. Let's follow it through now. Hopefully we should not have a problem. No. Just show you the core with the sidebar. As you can see, the sidebar there is fully intact. I don't want to really take it out because I don't know what to do with these things. Quickly, I've got a couple of minutes left, and so it's fell out. There's the sidebar. It fell out, but I'll put it in a minute. Pin 1 standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, 5 standard, and 6 standard. There's the core. There's nothing special in the core. There you go. Now let's start with this. So start from pin 1 if it doesn't go flying. Pin 1 is a standard, a big driver pin it is. Pin 2 is a standard. These driver pins are absolutely massive. Oh my god, look at the size of this spool pin. A massive spool pin as well. 3. 4 is a massive spool pin. 5 is a big spool. And last but not least, number 6 is a massive spool pin. So that was the EVA EPS sidebar, everything here. You'll get a good look now. So there you go, guys. That's look at the size of them spool pins. And there's the sidebar as well. That's the sidebar. There's the core. The whole lock is here. And here's the key. Them spools are massive and them drivers are massive as well. Anyway, guys, hope to see you on the next vid.